Having a good sitting position is important to relaxed and fatigue-free driving. Along with your airbags, safety belt, and head restraint system, contribute to your safety in the event of an accident. Your head restraints adjust manually. Pull up or push the button to bring it back down. To adjust your seat, slide the switch forward or back. You can adjust the tilt of the seat in the front, up and down, and you can adjust the height of the seat by pulling up or down. The tilt, and once you have your seat positioned where you want it, you can save it to memory by pushing the memory button, which will light up in red, followed by pushing either the number 1 or the number 2 button, and the position is saved. To recall a previously saved setting, simply press that button. Please do not call up a setting while the vehicle is moving.